Welcome to the Pro Kitchen Solutions tutorial. Solutions are a great way to save groups of items to be easily placed in other designs and save yourself the time of having to create them again. Tend to use the same appliances in your designs? Save them as a solution. Created an island with a lot of cabinet modifications and want to use it for more designs? Save it as a solution. Use a lot of waterfall countertops built with user shapes? Save it as a solution. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate just how easy it is to create and place solutions. Let's get started. Before you create and save solutions, first make sure that your My Solutions catalog is initialized using your catalog panel. This is where all of your solutions will be saved to and can be accessed to place in future designs. Next, group the items you want to save as a solution and select them in your design. For example, I want to save this entire island layout with the countertop added as a solution so I can easily place the entire group and use it in other designs. To group the items, simply left-click and drag on an empty area of the background grid to enable the Lasso Selection tool. Lasso around all of the items you want to create a group of, they will outline in red, and then right-click over the grouped selection. From the submenu that appears, navigate to the bottom of the list and select Selection. In the Selection's right-click toolbox, click on the Create Group tool. Give your group a name and then click OK to save. Now that your items are grouped, right-click on the group and select the group name from the submenu, and then select the Save to Solution tool from its right-click toolbox. In the Edit Solution dialog box that appears, enter the details about your selected solution. Create your own SKU for the group, fill in a description, and place any notes you wish to about the solution. Once all of the information is entered, click the OK button to save and create the solution. Now, to place the solution that you just created, navigate to the Draw and Place tab at the top and click the Solutions tool from the ribbon, or click the Solutions icon from the top toolbar. In the Solutions dialog box, click on the Categories folder to view the different solutions you've created. Select the solution you wish to place, and then click the Place button. Your cursor will turn into a plus sign, and you can left-click anywhere in your design to place the solution. Now move it into position with your mouse, and then left-click again to lock it into place. The Solutions dialog box will reappear in case you want to place more solutions, but if you don't, simply click the Cancel button to dismiss. And that's it. Now you're ready to start creating and saving solutions and save yourself the time of building items over and over again.